Good morning, all. Today we are going to learn how to use Tor Browser and Kali Linux. So let's dive into our video. First, open your browser and search for Tor Download, and download the one for the Linux machine. Now go to Downloads to see your downloaded file. Now we can see our file in a red color. Now type the following command correctly, tar-xvf. Then type the file name or press tab button for autofilling, and press enter. Now we are going to move our downloaded file to that op directory. To that, type the command sudo mv torbrowser /op to /torbrowser, then type the password. Done. Now we are ready. Now we can launch our Tor browser. To that, go to the Tor browser directory and type ls. Then run the file using /command. So that's it. Those who are watching this video for first time, please subscribe our channel. Then only you will be updated with the cybersecurity related things. Currently our channel have 17 subscribers, be the 18th one. Wish you happy hacking.